Hello children, in quadratic equations application part we are working on how to solve quadratic equation word problems based on geometrical concept. See one more here. Three circles with center A, B and C touch externally. Okay, so you can see the diagram here. Three circles you can see their centers are A, B and C. And how are they touching each other? Externally. Okay, the radius of circle with center A is x centimeter. See, I have used here three different color. So this color you can see, this part is the radius of circle with center A and it is to be denoted by x, right? So this length will be x. With center B is 6 centimeter. This is our circle with center B, and this length which you can see blue in color, this is 6 units, 6 centimeter. And with center C is 20 centimeter. So radius of this circle with center C is 20 centimeter. If angle BAC, this angle is 90 degree. Frame an equation in X and solve for it. So I think the question is pretty clear to you. Using the image helps us definitely over here. Okay. Now you have to frame an equation in X and this angle is 90 degrees. So it is but obvious that we are going to use the Pythagoras theorem. Also find out the triangle ABC framed here, which is a right angle triangle. What is the length of the side AB? X plus 6. Length of side AC is x plus 20. These are the sides which are containing the right angle, and side BC, which is also the hypotenuse, its length is 20 plus 6, that is 26 centimeter. So the question is clear here. You have understood how to frame the equation. You can pause this video and you can solve it yourself, and you can later on check the answer, what you have done is correct or how. Okay, so here let us start. First we will find, since they have already given the assumption here, so directly I will write here from the figure, in right triangle ABC, find out the lengths. AB x plus 6 centimeter, AC x plus 20 centimeter, and BC is equal to 26 centimeter. You are given angle BAC is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, what is Pythagoras theorem? It connects the sides of the right angle triangle. Hypotenuse square. What is the hypotenuse in the figure here? BC. BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. BC is what? 26. AB x plus 6 and AC x plus 20 the whole square. So first step is obtained here. You have obtained the equation. Next step will be what? You will have to get it into the standard form, right? So 26 square, 676. Expand x plus 6 the whole square. Now directly I am doing, because I hope every one of you have learned it by practice. X square plus 2ab, that is 2x into 6, that is 12x, plus 6 square, 36. Similar way, x plus 20 the whole square, first term square plus 2 times the product of the two term, 20x into 2, 40x, plus 20 square, that is 400. Be very careful, go slow with proper understanding and don't make any mistake. Now simplify it. 676 equals x square plus x square 2x square. 12 plus 40x plus 52x. 36 plus 400 436, right? We will need one side 0, so 676 I will shift this side. 2x square plus 52x plus 436 minus 676. Okay, this gives you 0 is equal to 2x square plus 52x. 436 minus 676 will give you what? Negative 240. Again, throughout this equation can be simplified by dividing by 2. So I am dividing whole equation by 2 and also exchanging the sides so that I can write it into the proper form. So this becomes as x square 52 divided by 2, that gives you 26x. 240 by 2 minus 120 is equal to 0. So this is our next step obtained. You have reached to the quadratic equation. Now work out product minus 120. So you want the difference 26. Okay, and if you factorize this 120, so 12 into 10, 10 can be written as 5, 2. Okay, 12 can be written as 3, 4, that is 2 into 2. So 3 2s are 6, 5s are 30 and 4. Numbers are what? Plus 30 and minus 4. Okay. Directly can I factorize it? The answer is yes. One second. Yes. So you get it here. X plus 30 into x minus 4 is equal to 0. This gives you x plus 30 is 0 or x minus 4 is 0. Remember, do not skip out any step. Go for all the steps. X is equal to minus 30 or x is equal to 4. Now you know x is equal to minus 30 is non-acceptable. Why? Because x is what? It is the length. It is the radius of some circle. It cannot be negative. So directly you can write x cannot be minus 30 as given its radius of a circle, right? Therefore x is equal to 4 centimeter. Also you can write x is equal to 4 centimeter. Since the question is asking frame an equation in x and solve for it, so we need to find only what is the value of x. That we have found, x is equal to 4 centimeter. Further they could have also asked what is the radius, means it comes to that only, what is the radius of circle with center A, that is 4 centimeters. So I think it is pretty simple. Apply the concept properly, do not make any calculation mistake, and it is easy as you have seen it, right?